curry chicken.
Panang chicken curry.
Hanam chicken curry. Oh my god.
Garlic shrimp.
Garlic shrimp.
Yeah, fried pork.
David, is it yummy? Yeah?
What do I make?
How's your plate, Mike?
It's good. It's got a lot of lemon in it. Garlic and lemon.
Nini, you ready to taste this? Why? It's not. It's healthy. Look, there's vegetables in it. I won't put any vegetables on it, I promise. Okay? Okay, hold on. Let me, oh, it's right. That's probably not even chicken. Let it cool off first. Ready? Hold on. Roll this spoon. Okay. Let us know what it tastes like. Is it hot? Look. What it taste like? Does it taste good? Why don't you spit it out? You didn't like it? You didn't like it? It's a little bit spicy. Forgot to tell you. Where's Nini?
Can you show mommy?
Is it good? Is it yummy?